In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get candle charts on Trading 212. If you've been looking at simple line charts and want more detail for your analysis, candlesticks are a great upgrade. They show where price opened and closed, plus the highs and lows within a chosen time period, giving you a clearer picture of momentum and volatility. To start, open the Trading 212 web app in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access the full charting view. Once the platform loads, you'll see your watch lists and market overview. The goal is simply to open any instrument's chart so we can change the chart type. Next, pick a symbol. You can click on any asset you already see on your screen, or use the search bar in the top right corner to look up a stock, ETF, or currency pair. As soon as you select a result, Trading 212 will load its dedicated page with a chart in the center. That's the area we'll customize. Now look for the small settings icon on the chart. It typically appears as a gear and is located near the top of the chart panel. If you don't see it straight away, move your mouse over the chart to reveal the controls. Click that gear to open the chart settings. This menu is where you control how the chart looks and behaves. Inside the settings, choose candles as the chart type. The chart will instantly switch from a line to candlesticks. Each candle represents the price action for the current time frame you have selected on the chart. The body of the candle shows the open and close, while the wicks mark the highest and lowest prices reached in that period. Typically, a candle that closes higher than it opened will appear in a bullish color, and one that closes lower will appear in a bearish color, making trends and reversals easier to spot at a glance. If you're new to candlesticks, here's a quick tip for reading them effectively. Focus on clusters rather than single candles. A series of strong candles in one direction can signal momentum, while small-bodied candles with long wicks can indicate indecision. Remember, each candle's meaning depends on the time frame you're viewing and the broader context of the chart. That's all there is to it. Open Trading 212, select a symbol, click the small settings icon on the chart, and choose candles. With this view enabled, you'll have a richer, more informative snapshot of price action to support your analysis. Thanks for watching, and take your time getting comfortable with the new view as you explore different markets.